Welcome back to Kapi Software Tutorials. Guys, today tutorial I'm going to talk about the social media scams, and I'll go to Twitter and Instagram. So guys, few days ago someone followed me and then accepted the follow, and also after that she sent me a message indicating she has a problem and then she needs assistance. So as you can see guys, her name is Selena Connell, and she sent me this message a few days ago, and she said, "Dear friends, how are you? I immediately prayed over your profile before sending you a request. I'm a widower currently in Ohio Hospital, Cleveland, USA. I'm suffering from a long-time cancer of the breast, and my condition is really deteriorating, and it's quite obvious I might not stay long according to my doctor. I have a very important message for you from the Lord to donate my funds, 3.8 million USD, to you before I pass away, and I want you to utilize it the way I will instruct you to use it for charity works and help people in need. I know that you can do this because the vision I received was very clear. My dear, I would like you to mail me on selenaconnell145@gmail.com. God bless you." So guys, this is 100% scams. If you received a message with different kind of stall, but the same message talking about money, I have money, I need to send you and all that, you need to understand that that is a scams, and don't give any detail to that person. So what had happened, she said to me that I have to send message through email. So what happened there, it means she'll start requesting some details of my bank account and all that, which at the end of the day you'll end up sending her money. Do you understand? You end up sending your money to her, and especially this is not her, this is just the profile. They are creating a profile pretending that is the woman and all that, but this is a man behind the computer. You understand? So I want to warn you, don't ever give any detail to any person who sent the same kind of message, but it may happen with a different kind of story. But don't ever send any detail or don't ever communicate. What you need to do, guys, is, for example, you see this is the right corner, just click on this information info setting. All you need to do is to come here and select block this person. Simple, as easy as that. Don't do anything, don't give any kind of your detail or anything. Just do this as I can show you guys. You click on block, as simple as that. You understand? Okay.